I'm going to show you how you can view and manage multiple worksheets in Excel with ease. So first of all, within any workbook and any Excel file you will have worksheets. And you can create worksheets by either clicking on the plus at the bottom, or you can hold Shift and press F11. And it will start adding more and more sheets. If you hold that, it will keep adding them. So as you see, I held it there and it created a ton of new sheets as well. If you need to delete a worksheet, you can right click on that worksheet you wish to delete and then click delete. You can also bulk select. So if I hold Control and select more sheets, you see I can now select all of them. If I right click and click delete, those specific ones that I selected will be deleted. You can rename sheets by either right clicking on the tab and clicking rename, or what you can do is you can double click on the name and then rename your sheet. You can also customize your worksheets by giving them a tab color. So if you right click on any of them, you can then go to tab color and then you can select any color you wish. You can also copy worksheets into new worksheets or into your existing worksheet. So I'm going to right click on sheet 1 and we're going to click move or copy. Now, if you just want to move it, you can then just click OK wherever you want to move it. You can move it into a new workbook and click OK. And as you see, it's created a new file, book 1, with that sheet in. And if we go back, you see now that the old workbook no longer has it. You can obviously move that back. So I'll move that back to Excel. And I want it to be before that first sheet there. And something you can do as well is you can copy. And to copy, you need to click create a copy. So I want it to come before sheet rename. And as you see, it's duplicated that sheet. And now we have sheet 1 and 2 in brackets. Now you can also split a window. So you can go to view and then click split, which is over here on the right hand side. And as you can see, it has split your window. You can unsplit it, but say I wanted it split here, for example. It's now split into 2 panes, one for A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and they can both go to the same data set. You can also activate this by using a shortcut. Alt WS can activate the split as well. You can freeze panes as well from being inside the view part of your ribbon. So say we want to freeze the top row, we can have that done as well, which is very useful if you need to know the column headings in large data sets. And if you ever need to unfreeze them, just go back to freeze panes and click unfreeze panes. You can also specify a print area of your choice. So say I want it to be this area, for example. What we can do now is we can go to page layout and we can go to print area, set print area. You can also clear that print area by then going back to print area and clicking clear print area.